So today I'm going to show you how to build an air filtration system with a simple 20 by 20 by 1 air filter, a box fan from Walmart, and a couple of scrap pieces of plywood. So let's get to cracking. So here's what I've got. So I have my little frame, I have just some clamps holding it together. I have my box fan sit in the center of this, and my design is to be able to slide in the filter from this side over here and have it sit right here. I've taken off the frame of the box fan because this is going to sit up against it, and that way it's a lot flatter. Then I'll come in here and I'll put some pieces in here for the frame to make sure that the filter just doesn't fall out when the fan's not on. When it's on, it'll suck it in and be tight enough. So we have a little play in here, top to bottom, but right now I'll have to cut a hole for the controls. I have made where the electricity comes out the top, so the fan will come out here if you plug it into the wall over there. And then this bottom side over here is the control knob for the speed. And so I'm going to cut a hole in here so you can still be able to turn that on and off in that fashion. So this is the knob. So that's about the location there. So I'm going to drill a hole in here, and then this is not quite large enough. We may have to use it safer.
So I first start with a hole with a Forstner bit, then I come back in with my jigsaw to square it out to finish out the hole. My frame is put together with pocket hole screws, so on both the sides I drill pocket hole screws to hold it together, and it makes for easy assembly.
Okay, so now we got our frame built with pocket hole screws. We have the overhang. This is going to be the back side where the filter. So the box fan, we've taken off the knob. So we're just going to put the control down here. We're just the friction fit. You just kind of squeeze this guy in. It should be tight enough. It should just kind of rest right in there. There we go. That's pretty easy. Build our side pieces or a cover, and we're going to have a little filter bump to give it a little bit of height in here. So that piece is going to sit here so the filter can sit in here and cover the whole thing. We're going to come in here now and add these two pieces here and at this end to be able to prevent the filter from falling out. next step is to mount my fan frame on my ceiling. So I've pre-drilled some holes and countersunk them, and I have these screws in here that'll go into the joists of the ceiling. Remember, this is the back side of our frame here. So now let's get it mounted to the ceiling. It works. Give us a thumbs up. That's a great air filtration system with a Walmart box fan. Want to see more of our videos? Hey, consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see us real soon.